A lot of professional men think that, well, I'm not able to give a great presentation. Maybe I have a knowledge problem. I have to study more. Many people think that, well, I'm not able to communicate better, so maybe I have an idea problem. I have to work on my ideas. Many people think that I'm not able to make that powerful impression in that presentation, in that boardroom, so maybe I have an information problem. You do not have any of these problems. Let me tell you this.
Oh, thanks for this awesome
video. Oh yeah, I forgot.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
You do not have a knowledge problem. You do not have an information problem. You do not have an idea problem. You have a confidence and communication problem. That's right. It's not about getting more knowledge, because if you're watching the video, I'm assuming that you already are a subject matter expert, because that's the kind of people that I attract in my world. I assume that you already have a lot of information. You've spent years and years of getting ideas, and you have a lot of creative ideas. You work a lot in your career right now, because in fact, I'm very confident you know a lot of people in your office who do not work as much as you do, but they have much more success than you, right? So if you think that you have a knowledge problem, no. If you think you have a creative idea problem, no. If you think you have information problem, no. You have a confidence and communication problem. And in fact, what we do at the Confidence Speaker Conference is where we show you. I mean, this is a program, a very, very high value program of people who just come around the world from not only different cities. I mean, we have people from Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, Aurangabad. I mean, so people from Punjab, people from Ludhiana, people from Kolkata, people from Bihar, people from Jharkhand who fly all over to Bangalore to attend this event. But also, we have people from outside India as well. In fact, this event has been attended from people from 17 different countries. Why do you think that is? Because they come here to improve their confidence and communication. Because if you have the confidence thing, if you have the communication thing dialed in, man, you can do anything. Guess what? When you go to the groceries, they don't ask you, oh, tell me about your knowledge. You have to communicate. That's what matters. When you go to a party, they don't ask you, tell me about your ideas. It's all about your communication. When you actually talk in a meeting, they don't say, okay, tell me how much knowledge you have. It's all about your communication and confidence. So if you want to grow your confidence, grow your communication, come to the Confidence Speaker Conference. But even if you don't get selected for the program, because this is not for everybody, I want you to get a mentor. Yeah, you know, reading books and all that is fine, but you're not going to be a greater speaker by just reading books, just like you can't be a greater swimmer by reading a book on swimming, right? You need the practical mentorship, the coaching, the feedback too. So work on that. What would happen in your life if the next 12 months you totally focused on mastering your confidence and communication? What would that do for your personal life? What would that do for your professional life? What would that do for you in your financial life? Think about that. Remember, you don't have a knowledge problem, information problem, or idea problem. You have a confidence and communication problem. That's my tip for you right now. Bishal Sarkar here, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection, it's all about connection.